Greetings, life forms. My name is Michael. This is an additional part to a multi-part series on how to interact with a Blender add-on that I've been putting together for 3D printers. In this video, we're going to be covering what this button does, Slic3r Repair Selected. A good candidate for showing off exactly what is going on is using a Suzanne head. So we're going to scale up a monkey and hit a button. You'll note that it does not look identical to the model that we exported. Slic3r will triangulate any mesh that you slice or repair with it, and that is just something that it does. So to gain better precision over what you see in Blender versus what gets outputted in Slic3r, it's a good idea to triangulate your mesh prior to exporting and slicing or repairing. So we're going to go ahead and do that and hit Slic3r Repair Selected again. And we'll note that, there we go, put them side by side again. Suzanne keeps disappearing, the original one, and that is a feature of this add-on to notify you of when it is done with a object. You can send multiple objects and click one button. So in this case, it looks nearly identical, which is desirable for 3D printing. Now, the real reason for that button, we'll pop into edit mode and actually do some damage to this model by deleting some faces. So it is no longer watertight. And if we hit the Repair Selected button again, you'll note that those holes have been healed in the imported model versus what we started out with. So effectively what we're doing here is using Blender to leverage the cleverness that Slic3r has available. So hopefully this was helpful for some of you. In future videos we will be covering likely the configuration options. So you have that to look forward to.